Welcome back to First Seasons, everybody. It is week 36 of this project. I can't show you what's going on the inside of the house today because we are in the middle of spray foam. And I don't have a respirator with me, Cal doesn't have a respirator with him, and moreover, we really don't want to get spray foam on our camera. So we're gonna have a look around the outside today. So we have our friends again from Coastal Exterior on site getting the rain screen put on right now. I will grab you a piece of that so you can see what it is. We've talked about it before. This product is called Keen Rain Screen, right? And this is frequently used behind sidewall shingles and that sort of thing. Basically what it does is it has a honeycomb sort of effect on the backside there. And so this side gets put up against the Tyvek like that. And that allows for air and water to move up and down behind the rain screen. And that's what rain screen is there for, is to allow air movement up, or mostly just allows air movement and water to drip down behind the siding so it doesn't get trapped behind your siding. That is Keen Rain Screen. Oh, I just flicked myself in the eyeball with some dirt. That was fun. You should keep that in there. That was pretty funny, actually. Anyway, so we have the rain screen going on here. We got a really cool siding product going on this project. I can't exactly remember what it's called other than I know that it's awesome. I've seen samples of it. I've seen kind of sort of what it's gonna look like. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed so you can and hit the notification bell there so that you get future updates. Because again, this is a really, really cool project. Amazing things happening here at First Seasons. That's a wrap on today, everybody. If you have a home you've been dreaming about renovating, Sprucehill would love to be your partners in success. Find us on the web, phone us, reach out. We would love to work with you. In the meantime, like I said before, like, subscribe, stay awesome. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye now.